Bilis ang pacing nila. Pwede ko silang habulin, pero sa akin, mas magandang enjoyin ito. Dinig mo yung lagaslas ng tubig. Kanya-kanyang pacing naman yan. You can go as fast as you want. Some even run the trails. Some just camp and lounge in the forest. And there are still some yung mga gitna-gitna lang, gaya namin. Camping, lahat, bilis, bagal, enjoy. Salamat. Sunday pa lang ngayon, so salamat Panginoon. Mamaya, mag-worship service tayo.